Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USD on Binance US. First, you'll need to create an account on Binance US, which is the platform available in America. Make sure to complete all necessary identity verification steps, often called KYC, to comply with regulations. This usually involves providing a government-issued ID and proof of address. For enhanced security, always enable two-factor authentication, such as Google Authenticator or SMS, before proceeding with any transactions. Once your account is set up and secure, the next step is to fund it. Binance US offers several deposit methods. You can link your bank account for ACH deposits, which typically take a few business days to clear. Alternatively, you can use a debit card for instant deposits, though fees might be slightly higher. For larger sums, a wire transfer is often a good option, usually processing within 1 to 3 business days. Always check the current deposit limits and associated fees. With funds in your account, you are ready to purchase USD. Head over to the Buy Crypto section on the Binance US platform. Select USD as the cryptocurrency you wish to buy and choose your deposited fiat currency, like US dollars. Enter the desired amount of USD you want to acquire. Review all the transaction details, including the price and any fees, before confirming your purchase. Your USD will then appear in your spot wallet. Now that you own USD, you have several options. You can use it to trade for hundreds of other cryptocurrencies available on Binance US, acting as a stable base currency. If you wish to move your assets off the exchange, you can transfer your USD to an external crypto wallet. Remember to always double-check the recipient address and network to avoid losing funds. Be aware of any daily or monthly withdrawal limits and associated network fees when moving your assets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.